Welcome back to AsadTech Edge. If you're passionate about AI and the technologies shaping our future, you're in the right place. In today's video, we'll explore 5 amazing AI-powered gadgets that are redefining the way we live and work in 2025. Stay tuned till the end to discover a gadget that might just blow your mind. So let's move towards top 5 AI-powered gadgets. First on the list is AI-powered smart home devices. One standout example is the Nest Thermostat Gen X. This device optimizes your home's energy use by learning your daily habits and adjusting the temperature accordingly, helping you save both energy and money. With AI at its core, it makes managing your home environment smarter and more efficient. Let's talk about next AI-powered gadget on number 2. AI-enhanced wearables. The Apple Watch Ultra AI is a perfect example. Equipped with advanced sensors and AI algorithms, it monitors your health in real time, tracking vitals like heart rate and blood oxygen levels. Its predictive capabilities can even alert you to potential health concerns before they become serious, making it a must-have for anyone focusing on personal wellness. Next AI-powered gadget on number 3 is personal transportation. The Segway 9bot AI is the best example, a revolutionizing urban commuting. This smart e-scooter uses AI to navigate obstacles, learn from your riding patterns, and provide a smoother, safer experience. Perfect for daily commutes, it's an eco-friendly and futuristic way to get around. Next AI-powered gadget on number 4 is transforming productivity tools. AI is also transforming productivity tools. One such gadget is Google AR glasses. These lightweight augmented reality glasses are equipped with AI to translate languages in real time, provide navigation, overlays, and enhance productivity by displaying key information directly in your vision. It's like having a personal assistant right in front of your eyes. Final AI-powered gadget. Let's dive into AI in entertainment. The Sony AI Soundbar X900 is an incredible gadget that uses AI to deliver 3D surround sound tailored to your room's acoustics. Whether you're watching movies, gaming, or listening to music, this soundbar provides an immersive experience like never before. These gadgets are just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to how AI is transforming our lives. Which of these impressed you the most? Let us know in the comments below. As we wrap up this video, we hope you enjoyed exploring these incredible AI-powered gadgets that are shaping our lives in 2025. But the journey doesn't end here. In our next video, we'll explore the top 5 AI innovations transforming every industry, from healthcare to education. These breakthroughs are revolutionizing the world. Subscribe to AsadTech Edge and turn on the notification bell to stay updated with exciting tech insights. Don't miss it. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.